Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys all surviving quarantine? It's honestly just like normal life for me, which is made me realize it's kind of sad, but whatever. I'm basically thriving right now, so that's all that matters. I was inspired by the one and only Jenna Marbles. She just posted, I think yesterday, either yesterday or the day before, a get ready with me to go nowhere, to do nothing, something like that video, and I basically wanted to do that today for myself. Yeah, so let's just jump right in. We're gonna get ready to go nowhere. I'm gonna be using my Hello Kitty primer. There we go. It's by the True Cream. I just found out that you can still buy this online because I got this from Ulta off of clearance. It was only like $3. So I was like, oh, I'll buy that. I'll try it. And yeah, it's actually not that expensive. It's only $14 and I would totally pay that for this. This is like some of the best primer I've ever used. So this is like really the first week I spent in quarantine. I spent the last 2 weeks before this week nannying. So it didn't feel that different to me. I just like went to work and then came home. But this past week I did not have work and I've been going insane. It's crazy. I definitely need to be able to get out of the house when I want to. I do like food deliveries with Uber Eats. I know, it's so glamorous, but I think I'm gonna do some of that today to kind of make up for the fact that I'm not doing any of my nanny jobs right now. Because all my bills are still saying, where's my money? I don't know, I spent it all on Animal Crossing. Ooh, which I should give an update about that. I restarted over my island. So my islander ranking video that I just posted is no longer valid because they are no longer on my islands. Although I just ordered some of the Amiibo cards because I am a complete Animal Crossing nerd. And I had Pom Pom, I got her card, so I am actually gonna have her on this island too. I'm so excited. One thing I am, it's in my hair. Kind of excited about or been thankful for is since I've been home more often, I'm able to spend more time with my dogs. Like my dog and my parents' dogs. So that's been a lot of fun. I've been playing fetch with them in the backyard and I can tell that they love it. And I don't know why it's fun, but it is fun. I really like this foundation, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus one. It's great. It's super easy to apply with the little beauty blender sponge things. Super easy to apply with a brush like I just did. You just use your fingers. Love it. It looks so good on. Yes. And it's only like $5, which is the best part. $5. So I forgot to do concealer first. My concealers are all too light. So if I don't put it on before my foundation, then I really can't put it on. I guess I could put on, hold on. I'll do my Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. This is more of a color match, I guess. This concealer is actually a pretty good match for this foundation. Never tried that before, so It's a good thing to know, I guess. Please forgive me in the completely wrong ways I will hold a makeup brush and use it. But it works. Benny's come to join us. He says hello. Hello. Hey world. Hello. Okay. I recently just got this mini violet gloss, fun-sized, not mini, fun-sized palette from Ipsy. I ordered it and it just came at the beginning of the week, so I'm very excited to try this out. I've heard nothing but good things about violet gloss, so I was excited to add them to my collection. Which I realized I can't keep adding stuff to my collection because it has gotten too big. I mean, I just bought this 4-drawer set thing from Target, and it's not big enough to hold all of my makeup. 4 drawers is not enough for my makeup. Is not enough to store my makeup, I should say. So that's probably something. Probably says I have a problem, but whatever. I'll have plenty to do during this quarantine time, especially since it's been extended to May 4th now. Oh. I'm not going to, I should have shaken that up. It's a little old. I'm gonna copy Jenna's eyeshadow look. She did like yellow. And it's not really there's yellow in the palette, but I want to do pink. You want in here? Come on. Look at it, it's yummy. Oh, no, she don't like that. Hold on. Come here, Sammy. Hi. That's yummy. Okay. Okay. Why are you whining? Why are you whining? Okay. I got my eyelid primer on. I think we're gonna go in. Well, I think I'm gonna do this dark purple or dark pink color right here. Love that there's a little mirror. And I'm really curious to see how you're gonna pull this off. You are not as good with eyeshadow. One thing I learned about eyeshadow is if you just blend, and blend some more, you can normally fix it. It just takes a lot of time. It makes my eye really watery, which doesn't help with anything. Okay. That's as good as it's gonna get. That's as good as she's gonna be. So we've made it this far. think now all that's left to do is we're gonna go in with the shimmer color that's right next to it because that's what matches. We'll try a brush first. Sorry, I got like really intense into the eyeshadow, but I don't know, I guess I just need to clean up around the outside. I don't think any amount of blending's gonna do that. When you try to do your brows and you mess up horribly. Alright, so I finished the makeup part of getting ready. I didn't do colored brows like Jenna just because my brows are already there. I don't need to draw them on like she does, and it's no hate. It's no hate. I went through the 90s too, and I got picked on hella for my brows. And if it wasn't for my mother, I would have plucked them all off as well. So, I get it. I do. But I just don't want to take the time to like cover them up so I can basically paint them another color. I wouldn't be comfortable doing that. I don't have that type of confidence. But I'm gonna get dressed now. I figured I'll show, get ready and show you what I plan on doing the rest of the day. That'll be fun. But yeah, so just update. Like I said, wanted to show you I fixed the brows, threw on some mascara, which you can't tell. And yeah, like I said, I'll show you what I'm doing with the rest of my day. Look at Benny. Benny boy. Benny! No. Let's see. Let's find Sammy again. Give you a quick update on how she's doing because she's super cute. Okay, bye. Bye. So basically video chatting like that is something I've been super thankful for while being stuck in quarantine. And I messaged her a little bit ago saying, hey, we should video chat today. God, so yeah, Animal Crossing, another thing I've been super thankful for because I love it. I've played Animal Crossing since I was a kid. Like, not since it first came out, because I would have been in like first grade when it first came out. But I've been playing it since, well, one summer when I was in like 5th or 6th grade. Maybe it's probably 6th grade. I worked at my aunt's daycare and I bought a GameCube. And one of the first games I bought was Animal Crossing. And I have been obsessed with it ever since then. And this one is the most like the original GameCube one that I've played since the GameCube one, obviously. Duh. Okay, well that's the bronzer. I don't know, guys. It doesn't show up on the camera, it is what it is. Now we're gonna do my blush. I don't know, I said it in such a weird way. And yeah, like I said, I've just really enjoyed being able to like play with my dogs. As you can tell, I love them. They're both so cute. They're my babies. Well, Sammy's technically my parents' dog, so she'd be more like my sister, but I love her. It's weird to refer to your dog as your sister, but I'm not gonna lie, my family does. So, here's a weird fact about me, you guys. The quarantine has made me gone insane, and now I'm not afraid to show it. JK, I've always been insane before the quarantine even happened. LOL, original joke, everyone. And now we're just gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown highlight too. Remember guys, the key to doing highlight is you want to make yourself look sweaty. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Maybe it's because I watched a little too much of The Real Housewives of New York the other day. I've never seen somebody get so upset over the most weirdest things and then be mad when their friends aren't there to support them over it. Sorry, they're not supporting you being crazy. But I've always talked like this, so it's probably not that at all. Well, thank you for getting ready with me, guys. I promised I'd show you what I was gonna do with basically the rest of my day, so I'm gonna deliver on that. Sorry if you hear the dishwasher, it's pretty loud, so you might hear it. And this is it. I'm gonna unmute this. That is why I spend so much time and effort into looking so fabulous to be in quarantine, so I can play Animal Crossing. And I can be the fabulous, excuse me. That way I can be the most fabulous person on my island, obviously. So, thanks for tuning in to another video with me today, guys. I hope you're all surviving quarantine. I know I'm barely hanging in there, but whatever. At least I get to get out of the house tonight. I can do some Uber Eats deliveries. I'm low-key scared about it, but I got hand sanitizer, so I think I'll be safe. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.